Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Roblox account that has the blocks. This is essential because blocks are account-specific and can't be seen from other accounts. Once logged in, go to your profile or the account dropdown. On web, click the gear icon, and on mobile, open the three-dot menu. Make sure to bypass the game pages and head straight to settings. This is the only place Roblox stores the blocked list for your account. Once in settings, switch to the privacy tab to access block controls. Roblox groups connection options and blocked users here. Scroll until you see a blocked users section or similar label. On web, it's a clear list. On mobile, it may be nested under account settings. You'll see each blocked username and an unblock control. This is the detailed middle step, reviewing each entry, confirming identities, and deciding whether to unblock or keep them blocked. To finish, press unblock next to any name you want to restore. The change applies instantly, so monitor friend lists or chat status afterward. If a person you expect isn't listed, make sure you're signed into the right account because blocks don't transfer. If the blocked list fails to load, log out and back in, clear your browser cache or app data, and update the Roblox app. These steps resolve most sync or display errors and get the blocked list visible again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.